Yo guys, I'ma just show you one of these presentation things here. Yeah. So if you're a business owner, this tool might be a game changer for you. So I'm just gonna give it to you for free. So basically, I need to write a funnel for this client that I just finished building automation to claim my whiteboard. But I need to write a funnel, and I don't wanna manually go on Canva anymore to write like presentation funnels and other things here. So I'm just gonna prompt it into this system here, Gamma, which I'll share to you, and then it's gonna go ahead and build that funnels for me basically. So if I just go here and share my screen with you, we're gonna go to window capture, and we're gonna look for Gamma here. There we go. So this is Gamma. The name is literally the Gamma. So what this does here, it helps you write presentation and anything like that. So to do that, you just need to go create an account. Obviously, you're gonna have free credit, or you can subscribe it to the pro one. It's very cheap. But create an account. I already have an account here, and then once you have an account, you're gonna come into somewhere like this. You just go click create new, and then you have different kinds of things here. You can either do text, you can create templates, or you can create from templates, or you can import that thing from your URL and then put it here. The Gamma is going to do that works for you. But I'm just going to go generate, and then here you need to choose how many cards you want. So I'm just going to go for 7 cards because 10 is a lot, and then you need to prompt it exactly what you want on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get the prompt I have ready for this here. I'm just going to paste that prompt in there. Then this is the prompt I just generate from my Gemini, and then press that in here, and then Gamma have all the details that it needs from here. So obviously I want this to be presentation, because but if you want to post it on your LinkedIn as well, you can just click on socials, and then you can just generate the cards as a social media, so you can have a carousel to post them on your LinkedIn. So instead of just posting ugly right in there, you can use carousels because people pay attention to carousels more on LinkedIn. But if I just go here and click on edit prompt, I won't read through this here, but I'm just gonna create it and then I can go through it. But as you can see here, the thing has changed to get 10 cards again. So you can just make sure you change that to the number of cards that you want, and then you can choose the branding color. So since I know the brand color is form of like green and yellow-ish, so I'm just gonna look for that. I think that might match though. Green and yellow. I think this is beautiful for them. Yeah, this is beautiful because they show their color. So I'm gonna choose this these themes here, and then select this, and then now all you got to do at this point, you can choose here as a photo, you can choose as abstract, 3D, line, whatever that might be. If you're happy with the prompt that you paste in here, just sit back, relax, and just click generate. And now I can sit back and let the AI do that work for me. That is just a time saving for you. So if you are a coach, which you probably gonna be doing a lot of presentation, this is what you need though. Like literally, this is all you need. Like, because you don't just want to be good doing good presentation anymore. It's just gonna take a lot of time. So if you can literally just prompt it there properly and let the AI do the works for you, man, you might as well. And you see how beautiful this starting to look here. And I'm just writing a whole plan to give it to these people and be like, this is the plan of what we created for you to just follow this funnel here to get more engagement, and then the automation that we build for them, it can work perfectly. Because if we capture in the leads, they need a way to attract these leads here. So having this better system in there, giving them clear direction to follow, is gonna help them a lot. But you can see here, this is really beautiful. So I'm just gonna go through this on my own time, read it, and see what it looks like. And if I need to make any change, I can make any change. If I need to add anything there, I can add it here. But let's assume you wanna share this on your LinkedIn. You don't even have to download it. You just go click share here, and then you go to export. You connect to your LinkedIn account, and you can post the the carousels from chat. I'm dying. I'm good. Well, yeah, guys. So if you connect your LinkedIn, you can literally post it directly from here to your LinkedIn account. So you don't have to like download and then go to LinkedIn to do that. So you can do it here. But that's the system. I'm sure you're starting to see how beautiful it makes that things look. Because I'm loving this right now. It's saving me a lot of time of the things that I was thinking to do for days. But just finished it. And if you want to see more of this kind of tutorials, or more AI apps like this to help you save time, or even to just try them out to get you the idea of how the things work, comment them there. I'll make more of these videos because I'm finna enjoy doing these things for now. So yeah, that's it. If you're a business owner, you want to like help on how to set up things like this, or if you want to generate presentation for your business, definitely go ahead and book a call with myself on the links below here, or just DM me on LinkedIn so we can have a chat and see how we can, get your heads above the water so you can keep things running.